What's going on, everybody? Tyro Investing here with another video. Today I'll be talking about BABA, ticker BABA. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to say I appreciate if you're watching this, if you would subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'm offering you some sort of value. I hope so. I hope that I have been. I hope that I continue to. So I'm trying to get to 500. Right now I'm at 170. So if you could give me a subscription if you're watching this, I would super appreciate you. All right, with that being said, let's get in the video. BABA, what am I looking at? China stocks in general have been getting hammered big time since basically all of 2023 and into 2024 as well. But I think we could be seeing at least some change in that, possibly. Specifically, BABA, I think, is one of the best companies in China, if not the best. And I'm really liking the way the chart's setting up. So this is the weekly chart. Let's get into it. So what am I seeing? Got a lot of stuff going on here, but let's just go with this first trend line here. Basically, since August, it was over $100, and it's basically just been in a massive downtrend since then. But this trend line, you know, we could even put it at the top of there. But got tested, basically tested there, actually went above it, but still closed way down. Actually, that's crazy. I mean, in November, it was 87, and it closed the week at 77. You know, tested it down here, tested it again, closed. We actually had a close above it last week. We had actually a test of it previously, and now we're looking good. So that close, along with more bullish candle here heading into this week. We'll see where this week closes, but NVIDIA just had crazy good earnings. So unless something crazy happens, I think we're going to see still some forward movement. And once Chinese stocks tend to move, they tend to move very fast. So my targets, what am I seeing here? I'm going with this one here. It was previously support, and it broke it down. I think that's a good first target, which represents, let me get my price range here, represents about a 5% move to the upside there for that first one. And then, excuse me, my next target would be kind of this area here that was being tested a bit, and which is another 5% move. But another reason that's my target is because that is a 50-day moving average. I think that's another good target. And then, you know, if BABA just decides to go nuts here, I'm looking at about here, which would be about 30%. Now, what is that one? That's more of a longer time frame trend line. If we zoom out here, starting back in October, it tried to make that support, and it just busted down and basically turned into resistance. Bounced here, tested it again, broke it down, then tested it, broke down, tested it, broke down. So I think that would be the long-term trend. But short-term, I'm looking at about what are these targets here? Roughly about 79.50 for my first target. Second target is about 83.50, and then my home run target would be about $9,900. So those are my targets. I just really love the way the chart is shaping out here for BABA. And, I mean, sooner or later, I know you can't predict these things, but sooner or later these Chinese stocks are going to break out. And when they do, I think they'll break out in a big way. The chart is kind of telling me it could be now. If this some reason falters, you know, I'll take my loss on it. But the chart is telling me it's ready for a move. So I'm going to try to ride this move, and those are my targets that I have shared with you. So with all that being said, I'm going to definitely continue to monitor this play, but I really like how the chart's shaping up. So yeah, we're going to see how this plays out. So I have some calls that are dated out over a month just because I want to give them some time, but I really like how this chart is shaping up. So yeah, if you guys are liking the way it looks, or if you guys are trading this one, comment down. I'm really curious to see if anybody else is taking the trade on any Chinese plays or BABA specifically. So, yeah, let me know down in the comments. With all that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you at the next one.